Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. Today I'm just going to be doing a flip cup. I have a 10 by 10 canvas. I've already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone so that the paint will come out easier. So I'm just going to move that around so it's evenly distributed. The colors I'm going to be using is the MastersTouch Violet, the DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Crystal Green, the Artist Loft Ultramarine Blue, and MastersTouch Silver. Excuse me. Now all my colors do have silicone in them, and I think I'm going to go in the reversal of what I showed them. So I'm going to go with the silver first. Whoops. And the ultramarine blue. I am falling so much in love with this blue. It is so beautiful. Oops. And then metallic green. I'm going to be doing a couple of layers of this one. Whoops. Now that's just going everywhere. I'm just being a little bit messy today. And the violet. So again with the silver and the blue. I hope everyone's been doing wonderful lately with the new year. I know I have. It's been a great year so far. Let's go back. And one more layer. So we got the silver. The pretty blue. And the green. I forgot the order for a minute there. Let's get that out. There we go. Now all of my colors do have silicone in them, so hopefully we'll be getting some really cool cell action. Alright, so let's get that off there. And we're just gonna, you know what, let's try flipping it. Oh, almost forgot, I do need to give it a stir so that the colors sort of merge with each other. Oh, that purple and green's pretty. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Not quick enough. But some really cool cells are going on. Alright, we're just going to give it a little twist and up. And I get to play with my new torch for Christmas. Whoops. I'm just going to pop the air bubbles. Oh, that is really cool. That green and purple are gorgeous. So I'm just going to start going around in a circle. Trying to get the paint where it is evenly distributed so it goes all the same. Oh, those are some really cool cells. Oh, I wish I could just leave it like that. That is so cool. But there's way too much paint. It looks like, where was that? There it is. Come here. There we go. Let's get that going around again. I'm trying to keep it because I'm really liking how it's curving with the circular motion, and I'm hoping to keep that movement. Is why I haven't started tilting yet. And looks like I'm going to start tilting here. Okay, we're going to bring that back to center. Let's go on down this side. Oh, pretty. And let's bring that paint back to center again. I think I'm going to go this side now. I am getting cells within cells. Like 3 colored cells. This is pretty cool. Alright, bring that back down. And we're going to hit this corner here. Oops. Trying to rock it to help the paint move because I guess I needed one more layer of paint. This one's going to be really close. Got it. All right, let's bring that back. Oh, wow. That is a lot of cell action. I am loving that. Let me wipe my edges. Whoops. All right. Oh, wow. There are so many cells within cells. That is cool. I'm really liking that one. Let's give it another torch. So I see some air bubbles in there. There they go. Oh wow, I really like that. That is pretty. Let's see if I can do a little bit of a close-up. Let's see. I am loving this. Oh, so beautiful. And I like how it doesn't have the cells up here where it has just the lines. That's pretty cool. Well, thank y'all for joining me today. Please do hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up my next video. Well, I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.